with Harmony Home Medical, and like Harmony Home Medical, I'm here to help. Today I wanted to talk about walker choices in the market. There's several different walkers that are available for people to use, and sometimes it can be confusing to know which one is the best option. So I want to show the range that we have. Starting with a standard walker, you'll often see this when you're first discharged out of a hospital, a simple gray paddle style walker, or one that may have glides and maybe a little glam, and others that fold up really tight like an umbrella. All of these walkers perform the same function. They are a standard walker that moves slower for someone who needs the most balance and stability possible in a walker. They're great for after surgery and during post-care. So this is something that people will oftentimes progress through and onto a walker that has four wheels, that moves a little quicker and hence needs handbrakes. That would be a rollator. A rollator has a seat and handbrakes, and it can be used like the standard walker, but you walk behind it a little bit. So this walker provides balance, but it doesn't provide as much stability as a traditional or standard walker. When it comes to rollators, you have different choices. So we have what we call a traditional rollator, and we have a Euro rollator. The differences with these two are how they fold. A Euro rollator folds up in the middle and can stay folded once it's in place, once it's folded up, which is a pretty nice feature. The traditionals, when you fold them, they tend to open a little bit, but they essentially perform the same function. They have the handbrake and the handle, and you walk slightly behind the unit because the seat is there. But the seat provides you somewhere to turn around and rest. These walkers are great for taking on outings and being able to take a break and a rest whenever you need it. Next, we have upright walkers. This is a new product to the market. It's kind of in its own league, and it's for someone when they've used a rollator, but now they're getting to where they might need something a little more, and they want to keep that seat and brakes that they became accustomed to. So the upright walker allows someone to put weight from their lower body into their upper body, using platform attachment to help them maintain good posture and to give them more support and more balance. You can also walk inside of the frame, going back to the same kind of style as the traditional walker that allows you to put all of your weight through the unit rather than just behind it. So these are the different kinds of walkers. We'll go into more detail in later videos about how we use them specifically. But all walkers help someone with their balance and their gait. And when you size them for how to adjust them for yourself, they all should have the handle fall at about your wrist. So those are the range of walkers that are available in the market and that Harmony helps you select. Call us at the number below or come in so we can help you or your loved one find the right solution for their mobility needs.